Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, July 1st, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen starting on the monthly time frame, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the pound yen monthly, I still think this is so clearly a wave A, 3 waves down for an ABC of wave B, and I think this is a 1, 2, 3 of wave C. I really do not see any evidence that this is over, and I honestly wouldn't be surprised if it stretched out to one of these higher Fibonacci's before we actually made a wave 4 and a wave 5 of wave C. So basically all that information tells me that we're potentially a long ways away from this being over. Going down to the weekly time frame, it looks like price is pushing beyond the 78%, which tells me that the next area of resistance, the 100%, is probably pretty likely, which is right around the 1095 area, so 2095 area. So at this point, I would say it's pretty dang likely this is going to go up and hit that 2095 area. And who knows, it could possibly go a lot higher than that. So going down to the daily time frame, we definitely do have a couple areas to watch out for. This 204 area is definitely an area to watch out for, maybe an area for a pullback. I honestly wouldn't be surprised if it just made a little pullback and just kept on making those higher highs, higher lows. There's definitely no reason to think this wave 3 is over, and like I've been saying for weeks and months now, pretty much the only thing to be doing on all the yen pairs is to be looking for longs at the end of every single pullback you see, especially on the shorter time frames. So heading down to the 4 hour time frame, like I said, this 204 could be an area of resistance. It will pull back here. Definitely doesn't have to. It could easily just keep on pushing up. Really, the strategy right now is to either be in a trade looking for an exit from back here, or the strategy is to be patiently waiting for a pullback to go long again for the continuation of the uptrend. I do not think that you should be looking for shorts on no matter what time frame you're trading. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, like I was just showing you on the way down the full top down analysis, the monthly time frame is up, the weekly time frame is up, the daily time frame is up, the 4 hour time frame is up, and everything in between is in an uptrend. So you definitely should not be on the 1 hour time frame and under looking for shorts when every single higher time frame is telling you that we're in an uptrend. Now maybe this area will be an area of resistance. If it does go down and break structure, that probably will tell you that it's the beginning of a correction. If it doesn't go down and break structure, then it's probably just going to keep on making higher highs, higher lows. If it does break structure, that's going to be great news for us because we can go long at the end of that structure, at the end of that 3 way pullback after the structure break, which should be a really good opportunity for the continuation of the uptrend. So if it breaks down, definitely look for 3 ways down and positive up to go long. If it doesn't, then just hold on to your longs or look for pullback entries on a very short time frame. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.